again to my guitar tutorial. This is the day 9 out of the 14 days of our guitar lessons for beginners. If you are here with us, thank you so much for following all the way up to the 9th day. This is the second day we are learning the second chord of the minor chords on the guitar. As you know, we have 7 major chords and then the 7 minor chords. The chords are this way: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just like we have in solfa notation, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Then you have the octave. So that is why it is 7. There are 7 on the major and 7 on the minor chords or keys. So we are going to learn today how to play the second of it. Yesterday we learned how to play the C minor chord. And today we are going to learn how to play the F minor chord. We are going to use this finger number 1 to hold all the, not just the 5. Yesterday we learned how to hold the 5 fingers here. Now here we are going to hold all the strings, but now behind the first fret. You see, this way, just like our diagram represents. When we have done so, finger number 2 is going to be free. Finger number 3 is going to hold the string number 5 behind the 3rd fret. And then finger number 4, the pinky finger, this one is going to hold string number 4 behind also the 3rd fret. When we have it this way, just like our diagram represents, you can easily strum it. We strum all the strings because we are holding them. So this is how you do that. Remember, in the description of this video, the chord diagrams are there, both for the major and the minor. Just download it and use it to practice. When we have completed these 14 days, we now begin to do real song development. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and then share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so, and then click on the bell icon so that you get our videos whenever we drop them. Okay, I believe you enjoyed this video. Let's see you next time tomorrow.